Matter day groundo. Monim say Ochina eye chairman Wontumi birthday. Ochina na Wontumi Ashanti governor. Ebenya 50 years. Yeah. Ochina ye first May. Ochina na obenya 50 years. Na ni abeto abonti nso ne say ene chairman Wontumi company no former managing director ako expose no ewo court ene. Na ensema saa nipa kro we kafa Wontumi hundiye. In fact, emu edru pa. Adu Boahene so ensem ewa ha se yebedi hu nkomo. Adu Boahene ensem aba beto abonten so. Me mamuti ase say saa Wontumi case we and I say any of the prosecution case no say panel kra to form wo ho a me de bebrem enti me ye adwuma no se ne etie na ese fata. Wontumi instructed us to mine in Tano Nimiri Forest Reserve. Former general manager of Akunta Mining tells court. And then ewo court. Ena former general manager edima Wontumi Akunta Mines. Editu abontin su say Chairman Wontumi ene ka kire omo se wo munko to gold omunko ye mining ewo Tano Nimiri Forest. Tano Nimiri Forest na ye galamsi ese forest no 90% of forest na ese ye no eye Wontumi Akunta Mines na edi sa adwuma no. Na wonim say at this juncture no ye wo enkrofo bi a wo mu testify aboa the state a wo mu na omu ne Wontumi aya adwuma pen. Nti one of some enkrofo ni former general manager Edema Akunta Mines ene ebe kan say Chairman Wontumi hwe nyame anim ni obronsamati ko ka kire omu say mumfa mokwasia nkonko ye mining Tano Nimiri Forest no me ni Ashanti governor no me na too many yeme dear nobody who bondo Wontumi say who born dog nobody can do him anything munko Tano Nimiri Forest enkonko mine enti say Wontumi di asumdie ni anigye ebedi ni birthday china no Wontumi di areho ebedi ni birthday china na yenhwa de a former general manager of Akunta Mining has told the High Court in Accra that Bernard and Chubosi, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, instructed them to mine in the Tano Nimiri Forest Reserve. Edward Akwesi Ekwakun, who is testifying as the first prosecution witness, said Chairman Wontumi gave the directive despite the lack of requisite mining permits. Meaning no need permit to be mining or. Now the question is, who gave him that power? We'll get there. Chairman Wontumi Akunta Mining. Chairman Wontumi Akunta Mining, Kwame Entry and Owusu Bempa have been charged together for undertaking illegal mining activities in the Tano Nimiri Forest Reserve in the Western region. The Chairman Wontumi ni company Akunta Mining, Kwame Entry and Owusu Bempa. Mr. Remu. Menya sure say e Owusu Bempa na enimi na Mr. Remu. And Oba say Akunta Mining as a company is also facing charges of felling trees in a forest reserve without written authority from the competent forest authority and erecting buildings in a forest reserve without written authority from the competent forest authority, contrary to Section 11A of the Forest Protection Act 974 NRCD 243 as amended by Section 1 of the Forest Protection Amendment. TSA Chairman Wontumi twitwa nua bi gu wo forest reserve mu a na onni tumi so obeye sa obian ma ne sa permit no Wontumi hwe nyame anim ni obronsamati kɔ atwitwa nua bi tu guye ewo wuram ana ni kwan so ye sa wonni tumi wonni permit wo say many Ashanti governor who born dog meye. Chairman Wontumi is personally facing two separate counts of abetting the unauthorized felling of trees in a forest reserve, contrary to Section 1, blah blah blah, of the Forest Protection Act 974, as amended by Section 1 of the Forest Protection Act 2002. Act 624 and Section 20 of the Criminal Offence Act 1960 Act 29. They have pleaded not guilty and have been granted bail. In his witness statement adopted by the High Court on Thursday, April 30, 2026, as his evidence in chief, Edward Akwesi Ekwakun said, while being led by Nanama Prempe, senior state attorney for the prosecution, that Chairman Wontumi, the second accused, instructed them to undertake mining activities in the forest reserve. After some months, A2 asked us to move into another area to continue our mining. Mr. Ekwakun told the court. That area was in the Awawin district, close to Enchi in the western north region. I can identify the area. It was a forest reserve. It was the Tano Nimiri Forest Reserve specifically. He added, I knew by experience that we required permits and licenses to mine in such areas. I asked A2 whether we had that authorization, since I did not intend to do anything illegal. He said A2 told me to proceed to mine in the said area, as he had spoken with the then Lands and Natural Resources Minister. According to the witness, Chairman Wontumi assured him the minister was aware and that they could mine in the area. He told me the minister was aware and we could mine in the area. Hesitantly, I spoke with the Chinese partners to move into the area to mine, he said. Mr. Ekwakun said he later discovered that the permit chairman referred to was not a mining license. You see? So, but this same Wontumi was on TV, telling the whole country that what is the difference between legal and illegal mining? The difference is a document. And so Wontumi in his power, no, sorry, yeah, catch the whole we as say, or no, or ye galam say, na or mining licenses. You see? So or ye galam say, na or the licenses. Meanwhile, what me bo modi hwɛ nyame anim instructi enkrofo sɛ wo munko Tano Nimiri forest enko science asinko tutu gold cha kuku kanua tugu Wontumi adu ano. So case na baby enko no de ehu, I will not dwell much on it. Now yenko yanim Adu Boahene nso asɛm baaye hwade o. Me say ade ankrofo edi ye Ghana won wallahi me donya me hu bi da. Adu Boahene na yesi o tam sika de gu fiewura so ame musuma se ye mfa nko baabi no. That same Adu Boahene asem na bai. O say Kobna Adu Boahene cost 2.5 million Ghana cedis to be sent to Rashida Sani's Azar Limited from BNC bank account. You see, company B edinde Izar say I-ZARO send your muhuni biano. Adu Boahene's instructee say yen send 2.5 million Ghana cedis and fanko gu Rashida Sani Izar Limited mo na sikana free BNC bank account mo. 2.5 million cedis. Nti ebinom ani abria na omu build your mine no, ebinom nya opportunity na omu di transfer sika. I know anso wa foforo ni wa say Kobna Adu Boahene sent huge sums of monies from BNC account to friends and businesses, including proprietor of Alaji's wife Wachi, Rashida Sani. You see, Kobna Adu Boahene sendis sika puduo bebre free BNC account mo emanen damfofo including businesses account mo ana osendi edikogum na according to nipa no ka say ebi ko ye Alhaji wife Wachi. Meaning say company you say ye you, I don't know, but that is the name they put a fix the until means say that that particular company and I say that particular entity no so no sikana na Adu Boahene send free BNC account no ebi ba ho ZMPU ne na ekoso ni. But the issue akwa ye bibia o ha say asem na is slow bi na say yenti hu nkane ade no, but So far no update about Wunye. This is the Adu Boahene's case. Mede came fantastic makwaba me da say wo hwe enso wontumi case ne de baby e kɔ no de dangerous but yen ha yani na yen hwe ne ebesi at the end of the day. Pass your comment.